Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home treadmills for running that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the ZPU FDYM portable treadmill. Right off the bat, this treadmill markets itself as a budget-friendly option for casual users, but it does come with some limitations. The standout feature here is its removable desk workstation, which makes it a dual-purpose treadmill for both exercise and productivity. Its compact design is fantastic for small spaces, and the 3.0 HP motor ensures a decent performance for walking and light jogging. However, the design feels a bit underwhelming compared to others on this list. The smaller running area and limited build quality may leave some users wanting more. At 45 by 31 by 36 inches, it's not ideal for taller runners or anyone looking for an intense training session. The treadmill can handle up to 280 pounds, but with a customer rating of just 3.2 stars, it's clear that some users have experienced durability concerns. The lack of incline adjustment and advanced features might make this treadmill feel basic for more dedicated athletes. Overall, the ZPU FDYM treadmill is best suited for those who need a lightweight, portable option for home or office use. If you're looking for an affordable solution for walking while working, this might be worth considering. But if you're serious about running or want a treadmill that offers long-term reliability, you might want to look further up this list. At number 4, we have the Abonow folding treadmill. This treadmill strikes a balance between performance and affordability, making it a good mid-range option for home fitness enthusiasts. The 3.0 HP brushless motor is a highlight here, offering quiet and energy-efficient operation. With a maximum speed of 8.5 miles per hour and an incline of up to 8%, this treadmill is capable of delivering a solid cardio workout. The design includes a 5-layer shock-absorbing running belt, which reduces strain on your joints. The build quality is decent, but not outstanding. The running area measures 41.34 by 15.35 inches, which is a bit narrow for runners with longer strides. Additionally, the folding design and built-in wheels make it easy to store when not in use, a huge plus for those with limited space. The LED display is straightforward, showing key metrics like time, speed, and calories burned, though it lacks some of the advanced connectivity options found in higher-ranking treadmills. In terms of value, the Abonow is a good choice for casual runners or anyone looking for a reliable treadmill for walking and light jogging. However, its smaller deck and lack of advanced features may not appeal to those who want a premium experience. Overall, it's a great treadmill for small spaces and moderate use. Coming in at number 3 is the Y-Run Walking Pad Underdesk Treadmill. This compact treadmill is specifically designed for multitaskers who want to stay active while working. Its 2.5 HP brushless motor is impressively quiet, making it perfect for home offices or shared spaces. The dual shock absorption system ensures a comfortable walking or jogging experience, reducing impact on your joints. The design is sleek and highly portable, with a lightweight frame and wheels for easy storage under a desk or bed. The LED display and app connectivity provide useful data like speed, time, and calories burned. However, with a maximum speed of 4 mph, this treadmill is better suited for walking or light jogging rather than intense running. The 40-inch deck length might also feel a bit restrictive for taller users. Overall, the Y-Run Walking Pad is an excellent choice for those prioritizing convenience and quiet operation. It's ideal for professionals who want to stay active during work hours or anyone with limited space. Just keep in mind its limitations in speed and running area if you're a serious runner. The runner-up spot goes to the RaceBase 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is a versatile powerhouse that combines portability with performance. Its 3.5 HP motor supports speeds up to 6 miles per hour and includes an 8% manual incline to amplify your workout intensity. Whether you're walking, jogging, or climbing, this treadmill adapts to your fitness goals while maintaining a noise level below 40 decibels. The design is compact and space-saving, with a foldable frame that's only 4.48 inches thick when stored. The 36 by 15-inch running belt provides enough room for most users, and the advanced shock absorption system is a standout, minimizing joint strain. The LED display and FitShow app offer comprehensive tracking and customization, making it easy to monitor your progress. Additionally, it supports up to 330 pounds. Catering to a wide range of users, the race-based treadmill is perfect for apartment dwellers, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a high-quality treadmill without sacrificing space. While its incline and speed options are impressive, serious runners might find the running area a bit narrow. Still, it's a solid pick for its price and versatility. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the well-fit treadmills for home. This treadmill is the most powerful and feature-packed option in our roundup, boasting a 4.0 Chevy brushless motor that delivers speeds up to 10 miles per hour. Designed for serious runners, it offers a spacious 45 by 20-inch running area and supports up to 450 pounds, making it ideal for larger users or those with long strides. The well-fit treadmill stands out with its user-friendly console, 12 preset programs, and adjustable incline of up to 5%. The heart rate monitor and dual Bluetooth speakers add a layer of sophistication, while the 8 shock absorbers ensure a smooth and joint-friendly workout. The build quality is exceptional, and the LED display keeps you informed about your progress in real time. This treadmill is perfect for anyone looking for a heavy-duty, high-performance machine for home use. Whether you're training for a marathon or just want a reliable treadmill for daily workouts, the well-fit delivers in every category. Its premium features and robust design make it well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.